Oh my goodness, the emotional text-to-speech tool everyone's been waiting for is finally here. It's Index TTT. Hello, and welcome to QQQ AI News. Today we'll explain how to install Index TTT2 on Windows. Index TTS2 is an industrial-grade zero-shot text-to-speech model developed by the Bilibili team and released in 2025. It focuses on breakthrough innovations in emotional expression and duration control. It introduces a duration adaptation scheme that supports two modes, precisely specifying the number of tokens for video dubbing synchronization or free autoregressive generation, preserving the prosody of the input prompt. In addition, it decouples emotion from speaker identity, allowing independent control of timbre and emotion. Installation instructions are provided here, but many people still have trouble installing Index TTS using these instructions. After my installation and testing, I've listed my specific installation steps in detail on my Patreon page. You can refer to my installation notes for free. Before manually installing Index TTS, we need to install Git and Git LFs. You can click the link to download and install them. Running Index TTS2 requires a GPU, NVIDIA is recommended, CPU mode is slow and impractical. Open the CMD command bar window in the current folder and copy the installation instructions on the note page line by line. The first step is to check and install Git and Git LFs. The second step is to clone the Index TTS2 GitHub repository. The third step is to set up a Python virtual environment and install all dependencies. The fourth step is to install DeepSpeed Manja according to your Python version. This step is very important. Without this step, the speed of Index TTS2 text-to-speech generation will be slower. Index TTS2 is licensed under the Apache 2.0 unrestricted license. The code is available on GitHub, and the model is available for download from Hugging Face. However, after an early demo leaked, the full code was released in September 2025. Currently, it supports Chinese and English with Japanese as a reference audio language, but it is not natively multilingual. Index TTS2 excels at emotional literary readings and video dubbing, with stunning zero-sample cloning results. However, its Chinese voice library is limited, and long audio clips require manual repair after cloning. Compared to Listening Hub, it offers stronger emotional expression. Index TTS2 integrates comfy UI workflows, and platforms such as SiliconFlow provide APIs. A Medium article in September 2025 called it the perfect TTS, and Reddit predicted it would drive an open-source TTS revolution. Before installing DeepSpeed, you need to confirm the Python version on your computer. You can enter this command to check the Python version you have installed. DeepSpeed Python 10 Bubble 1W12. Once you know the Python version you have installed, you can find the corresponding DeepSpeed patient version on the installation notes page, select and copy the link, and then paste it into the command bar window. After the installation is complete, the script automatically runs a GPU checker to confirm whether your system supports GPU acceleration for Index TTS2. You should see output similar to this, indicating whether a GPU was detected. If you don't have a GPU, that's fine. Index TTS2 can also run on a CPU, albeit at a slower speed. If you receive an error, such as a missing dependency, check that you have the correct Python version, or leave a message and let me know. I'll help you resolve it. The fifth step of Index TTS2 is to download the pre-trained model. You will see the command line window display the installation progress, which may take several minutes depending on your network speed. The script will now automatically launch the Index TTS2 web interface. You'll see the command line run uvrun webi.py and your browser automatically open a local web page. This is the Index TTS2 interface. Here, you can enter text, select a model, and generate speech. Please use 100.20.20.27.86.0 instead of 0.20.20.20.60 to open the WebUI. Index TTS2 installation has been completed. Please download the attached script and put it in the Index TTS2 folder. Each time you start Index TTS2, double-click the script. Now that I have successfully opened the Index TTS2 web UI, I will clone Obama's voice. First, I put Obama's voice here as a reference audio file for you to check.
It is no coincidence that the relationship between our countries has accompanied a period of positive change. China has lifted hundreds of millions of people out of poverty, an accomplishment unparalleled in human history, while playing a larger role in global events.
It's Obama's voice, right? Then I enter the text I want to generate the voice, click the Generate button, and the text-to-speech function is completed. Index TTS2 requires 12 GB of video memory to run smoothly. After waiting for a while, we can see that the speech has been generated.
Existing autoregressive large-scale text-to-speech TTS models have advantages in speech naturalness, but they're token. by token generation mechanism makes it difficult to precisely control the duration of synthesized speech. This becomes a significant limitation in applications requiring strict audio-visual synchronization such as video dubbing. This paper introduces Index 2, which proposes a novel, general, and autoregressive model, friendly method for speech duration control.
This is the generated voice. Pretty cool, right? Everyone can follow the installation instructions to successfully install Index TTS2. Additionally, by clicking this option, you can add emotion to the voice and adjust the intensity of the emotion by sliding the slider. You can test these functions during use. Of course, if you don't want to spend time testing them yourself, you can watch this Index TTS2 test video and you will know the results. This video is an Index TTS2 installation tutorial video, which can be used as a supplement to this test video. I provide a local one-click installation script for members who support me. Please view the attachment. You can install and use Index TTS2 by simply downloading the attachment. That's all for today's tutorial. See you next time.